Personal protective equipment, or PPE, consists of items you wear as your last line of defense against any workplace injuries. The first lines of defense are always process and procedural improvements, evaluations, assessments, and controls relating to equipment and manufacturing, which for this course are assumed to already be in place. PPE is necessary to help protect everyone who encounters workplace environment risks, including visitors and management, as well as industry workers and workers in other departments. Everyone must wear appropriate PPE for the environment they are entering and working in, even for areas that they are just passing through. You may have multiple PPE items for the areas you visit. PPE is also task-specific. You could use many variations of PPE depending upon the job, task, or machine. The types of PPE discussed in this course include eye protection, head and face protection, ear protection, hand and body protection, and foot protection. Other types of PPE are available and are required in certain specialized departments. These include PPE